Hello everybody, it's Becky here, Aunt Beck's Creations, and I thought I would just show you a little bit of things. Here's the kitty cats. There's Tippy and Callie are with me. Howard's off doing his own thing. But we had a bunch of old seeds, and Scott had tilled up a section down here by the garage. And he apparently wanted squash and pumpkins and watermelons and cantaloupe and stuff. So he pulled those old seeds out of our collection of seeds. And he thought, oh, they're so old, they won't come up. Well, this is what's happened. All right, I think everything has come up. Some of the seeds were from Greg's giant pumpkin he got at the farmer's market one year, and he brought it home on his moped, and it was almost bigger than the moped. So I'm thinking that's the giant pumpkin there, and maybe there. But then there's butternut squash, there's watermelon, I think cantaloupe. I don't know. He's got a couple varieties of pumpkin here. They desperately need some fertilizer, I think, because they're kind of yellow. But everything, I think, came up that he planted. I also sprinkled in some old marigold seeds, but I think they got buried. I'm pretty sure the smaller plants there, those are watermelons or something. And I think some of the smaller seeds just got buried too deep. So this is Scott's, it ain't gonna grow pumpkin, squash, watermelon, cantaloupe bed here. And all of these will probably take over this whole side yard, which is fine. But this is our pumpkin patch, but it's also got all the other stuff in it, butternut squash, all of that stuff. So I just thought I would share that with you. Thought it was funny that we've done this before with old tomato seeds and had the same results, all of them coming up. And so this time we're doing all the pumpkin type things. So I just thought you guys might like to see our little bed down here. I'm going to go get some compost, I think, and put it around. I might do an attempt with some old zinnia seeds and just sprinkle them along. I can see where the cats are still using this. I told Scott, even if they dig up a plant entirely, or if the skunk comes through and digs up a plant entirely, I think there's enough plants here that something will survive. And apparently something is down around the corner because she's on alert. And Tippy's moved down here to the corner of the garage. Sometimes there's deer over here. Let's see. This is behind the garage where Scott's cleared out and where the honeybees come in and out. Yep, they're still working there. And then that's our right-of-way for the water department. And it goes down through the woods and looks kind of pretty. They haven't come lately to mow it clear in the neighbor's yard. Alright, so I'll leave it at that, and we'll see you later.